Hello everyone, today I'm going to share with you how to make Romduol flower. To make Romduol flower, you will need a green tape like this. And then you will need a plastic leaf. If you don't have plastic leaf, you can create it from a green paper. And then you will need a grip paper. For this paper, I already cut it into small pieces. So you need 3 pieces of this grip paper in this size, equal size. So for grip paper, you can use any color of it, but the actually real flower is the color orange or yellow. And then you will need other piece of paper, a little bit longer than the 3 one. And then you will need some rubber band. If you have it, if you don't have, you can use string. And then you will need tissues. For tissue, I use soft tissues for 10 pieces of it. So I will show you how to make it. Let's get started. First step, we need to make a ball. So I will use those 10 tissues to make a ball for the middle of the flower. Let's take one out to keep it and wrap it like a ball. Next, let's start with the layer of the flower. Take one piece of the yellow flower or orange, fold it to half, equal size. So then you will see the line in the middle. In that line, you need to squish all the paper together, squish it in, and then you hold it tight, and then you twist the paper in the middle. Use your fingers to hold the middle, and then you will see it look like this. And then you open each side and then take the ball and then put in the middle and wrap it around. Make sure that we cover all the white part. To make sure the look is round, you need to poke your finger into it to make sure that we get a beautiful round shape. And then you will take a rubber band to tie it at the back to make sure it's secure and hold on the tissues. Our next step, we're going to make the layer of the flower. So you take a piece of that orange flower, fold into half, repeat the same instructions. You see the middle line, and then you switch it in. Hold the middle and twist it in and put it together. Here what it looks like, so I will do the next one slowly so you can see it. we're done making 3 layers of the flower, so let's start put the flower together. Now we put the 3 together, let hold tight at the back, and then you need add a rubber band or a string, tie it tightly to make sure it support and stay. Next, you can open the flower one by one just to make sure it's look beautiful. Green leaf on, so take the leaf, attach it at the back, make sure the 3 leaves stay in the 3 corners. For green tape, the more you stretch it tight, the more the glueness comes out. So make sure that you tape it, tie it properly, so the flower and the leaf can stay together strong. So now our flower is done. Thank you for your watching. I hope you like it. I will see you in my next video. Bye.